how to turn on dark mode on the TikTok app for both iPhone and Android. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So let's get started right away. Well, once you go to dark mode, you can never go back, in my opinion. So if you accidentally put this to light mode or forgot how to turn dark mode back on or whatever, then this video is for you. So you want to click on profile on the bottom right, then click on the top right on these three lines and go ahead and select settings and privacy. Once you've clicked on there, you want to scroll down till you see display right over there in the middle of my screen. And here you have dark mode, just like that, super easy. And now I have turned on dark mode. Now, if you want to match your device, you can also click on use device settings. Now, nothing really happens simply because my device is already on dark mode. But if I would put this to light mode, as you can tell, it changed automatically to light mode as well. But yeah, we want dark mode. So that's it. So I hope this very quick video helped you out. See you next time.